Hello everyone, welcome back to Divine Within You. I hope you all are doing well. So yes, we are back with another video, another content, and I was just reading a book and I came across this a very wonderful topic. I was reading the book, you must have heard of it, Awaken the Giant Within by Anthony Robbins. You must see it backwards, like the alphabets. But yeah, I was reading this book and I came across a very wonderful topic that is like substituted to our a very common daily life problem. We basically came across a lot more problems in our life, and like we have different problems. Everyone has different problems in their according to their daily lives, and the problems are not even that great, but we like exaggerated too much that we are just going to fix it as a point in our mind. So the topic, the content is the problem solving question. So whenever we came across a problem in our life, so it's not like that we just have a problem and we don't have a solution to it, right? ऐसा नहीं होता है that we usually have heard कि अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है तो उसका सॉल्यूशन उससे पहले होता है, प्रेजेंट होता है, तभी वो प्रॉब्लम आई होती है. So we have basically heard of this, and by reading this I got, we have like 5 questions, the problem solving questions to solve that problem. Just to ask yourself, you need to ask yourself those 5 questions. You can even note them down. uh, just you just need to ask yourself those questions, and you will just automatically get the problem solved. You will just get the answer yourself. So whenever we face a problem, like anything related to your career, anything related to your life, to your business, to your health, wealth, anything, it could be any factor of your life, right? So what we basically think कि भाई how am I gonna overcome this? I am just stuck here and I'm not able to see any solution. या फिर I am just getting tensed because of it. I'm just not able to move or anything, or just think about anything else to get a solution of it. So the 5 questions we were talking about, we are going to talk about is, the very first question is कि the what is great about this problem. Whatever problem you are facing, it could be anything. So whatever problem you are facing, what is great about that problem? Like why are we exaggerating it so much? उस प्रॉब्लम में इतना इतना हम उसको क्यों बढ़ा चढ़ा रहे हैं कि भाई इतनी वो चीज़ हमें क्यों अफेक्ट कर रही है? वाई इज़ इट सो ग्रेट? वट इज़ सो ग्रेट अबाउट दैट प्रॉब्लम? Is it even that great, or we are just exaggerating it? And when we will think about it in like a space away from things, जब हम खुद से बैठ के उस बारे में सोचेंगे कि what is so great about this problem, we will get to know कि most of the times we will be seeing कि it was not even that great. I was just exaggerating it. I was just not able to make a sense out of it, and that's it. It was not even that great. I was just tensed a very a lot more about that problem. And then second question you need to ask yourself about that problem is, what is not perfect yet? What is not perfect yet led to the sense ki what is not perfect yet, that why are we facing that problem? If it is related to your career, it could be any obstacle. So what is not perfect yet? What have you not done yet ki you are facing that? You need to remove that. You need to think over that, that where are you lacking? What have you not done that it is not perfect yet? The third question is, what am I willing to do to make it the way I want it? We have a problem, okay, in our lives. Like I have a problem and I am not getting a solution to it. But I have a lot more thoughts going in my mind कि भाई मैं उस प्रॉब्लम को मैं जैसे चाहती हूँ, the way I want it to be, the way I want it to be, and not trouble me. So what am I willing to do to stop it, to prevent it, or just to dismiss it? What am I willing to do? to make it the way I want it, to make the my way the to make it my way, right? So what am I willing to do it? Am I really willing to do something that is needed for it or not? The fourth question is, what am I willing to no longer do in order to make it the way I want it? So uh, the same like the third key, I have a problem, and what am I willing to no longer do? If something is necessary to do and I'm not willing to no longer do it, so I am not going to have a solution. भाई मेरे पास कोई problem है, उसके लिए I know कि this is the necessary effort, I need to do this, I need to do this thing, and without it I'm not going to have a solution, I'm not going to have a cure of that. So what is that thing that I am no longer willing to do, that is necessary to do in order to make it the way I want it? And the last but not the least question is that how can I enjoy the process while I do what is necessary in order to make it the way I want it? So basically, what is like, how can I enjoy it by doing it making the way I want it? If anything is required to do in that particular situation and we are not willing to do it, so we basically need to add something that we enjoy. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कि कोई और एग्जाम्पल लेके चलते हैं, मान लो हमें किसी काम में मज़ा नहीं आ रहा होता है, तो फिर बेसिकली हम क्या करते हैं, वी स्टार्ट प्लेइंग म्यूजिक और समथिंग लाइक दैट, है ना? तो टू डू इट the way you want to do it, the way you want to make it. And the same implies here, you need to add something that you enjoy. So these were the 5 basic problem solving questions that will lead you to have a proper answer yourself, by yourself, not even by exaggerating anything or hurting or thinking too much about that problem. And the one main thing you have noticed, you must have noticed in this in these points is कि we have like in the end of the every question we have heard the way you want it to be, the way you want to make it. So basically it is कि भाई हम उसको जैसे बनाना चाहेंगे ना, it will be like that. If I want to make it difficult for me, it will be difficult for me. If I want to make it easy for me, it will be easy for me. If I will just think कि that's okay, I will have a cure to it, I can do these things and my problem will be solved, it will be that way. And on the other hand, if I will be like कि sobbing and all कि no, I'm not able to come over from this and this, so I will be just stuck in it, and there is no answer to that, there is no cure to that. So I hope you will really imply these, you will really ask yourself these questions, and these will be very helpful to you whenever you are stuck in a problem. Just ask yourself these questions and you will really have a cure, have a perfect answer to yourself. So that was all for this video. I hope you liked the content, and don't forget to share the video, subscribe the channel, like the video, comment on the video. Wishing your life a very, very magical life to you all. Thank you so much.